If you stumble on my video and you say to yourself, I know my friend having this kind of problem. His dog urinating on a beautiful Oriental rug. Maybe you will suggest to them, hey, take a look at this video. Look at this amazing technology invented here in the great America that's designed to remove the urine odor without any damage to the rug. Not because your pet is urinating on the Oriental rug, you should discard the rug. No. Oriental rug is a piece of artwork and you should clean it the right way. And I guarantee, my name is Mayor Martin, the removal of the urine odor completely. Take a look how the machine, the PetPeePee machine that I built and I invented it from scratch, vacuum extract all the Dead Sea cleaner from the top of the rug through the rug. The technology that I invented eliminate completely the need to use the scrubber, the squeezy, the centrifuge machine. All of this cleaning process designed to clean the floor mat of Home Depot, not your Persian, Pakistani, Oriental rug. We clean Oriental rug because we enjoy cleaning the art on the floor. We enjoy to receive the 5-star reviews on Google because this is my passion. Cleaning Oriental rug with the machine that I invented and I built for this purpose. Removing the pee-pee from your beautiful Oriental rug. Thank you for watching PetPeePee. Enjoy the video.
keep you